I can say privacy by design. Everyone says that, but when there are no designers in the room, what does it mean? What does it mean? Usually it collapses, all this privacy by design thing, it collapses into filling out compliance templates. But design is about so much more. It's about shaping experiences, imagining futures, researching interactions, asking uncomfortable questions. And this is exactly what I tried to capture. And the problem is that smart glasses are not that widespread yet. So the question of how do you think about near future questions has become an interesting one. So what we did was to use role-playing games. So I found myself moving from being a policy expert into being a dungeon master of a speculative future. And that shift really mattered to me because only through this imagination and play could we really see where the cracks in our legal frameworks lie. Because abstract values like privacy, transparency, responsibility, they aren't enough on their own. We need to think in terms of interactions like person to person, person to space, person to platform. So what really emerged in our, role plays is how smart glasses blur the line we've always assumed between private and public. Because, privacy belonged in private spaces. This is where you have the expectation or reasonable expectation for privacy. And then in public spaces, it was normal that people could recognize us and on the street or know where we've been and all of that. But smart glasses changed that completely because imagine walking down the street and someone's glasses don't just see your face, they pick up that you're exhausted or anxious or maybe unwell or sick or not vaccinated.